Why unscalable software solutions cannot fully replace an ERP system. Let's take a specific industry like real estate. Simple software tools are great for solving specific problems, like managing rent collection or handling tenant queries. But can they handle your growing business? Let's find out. Lack of integration. Simple tools were not interconnected. None of your rent system, finance app, or maintenance tracker are connected. This creates silos. What is silos? Where important information is trapped in separate systems leads to inefficiency and extra work. Scalability issues. Second, as your business grows, these tools struggle to keep up. They weren't built to handle complex operations or large portfolios, which limits your ability to expand smoothly. What ERPs do differently. An ERP system like Dynamics 365 breaks down these silos by bringing everything together in one unified platform. From finances to leasing, all your data is connected and accessible. Key features of ERP. It's not just about integration. ERPs offer automation, real-time analytics, and scalability. They help you to save time, reduce errors, and make smarter decisions. So, while simple tools are great for quick fixes, only an ERP can handle your business growth and complexity, breaking down silos and making your processes more efficient. Think big, think ERP.